Night services in public health facilities are virtually at a standstill after health workers downed their tools in what they have termed as the failure by the national government to address their grievances regarding promotions and redesignations. The strike, which comes at the backdrop of surging coronavirus cases, will affect all port health facilities, including airports, border points, and all points of entry, and the National Spinal Injury Hospital as well.
The country is staring at a health crisis amid the second wave of the coronavirus pandemic. Despite the grim reality, the strike by health workers, which kicked off today, has threatened to worsen the situation as hospitals struggle due to the surging COVID-19 numbers. These frontline workers would be in an overdrive in the fight against the disease, but the push and pull between them and the government has forced them to take their grievances to the streets.
Hatutaendelea kufanya kazi kwa sababu ya hujuma ambao Wizara ya Afya imetuweka ndani. Imetunyima kupandishwa vyeo, wameshindwa kuangalia masilahi yetu kama ambavyo vile inavyotakikana.
I think we have been talking here for the last many months on the same issues that the Ministry of Health and the county, the metropolis, are not responsive to.
The reason for their rage is the pending promotions and redesignations, which has dragged on for a long time, and the strike is to compel the government to act and honor the return to work formula.
On the streets to demand implementation of the return to work agreement. And I want to tell the employer this: we are not going back this time without our return to work formula implemented fully.
The unions accused the government of promising to effect promotions in the various cadres only to backtrack later and employ delay tactics, saying some of their members have stagnated in the same job group for years.
We've been patient for the last 15 years, and there have been budgets all years. Year in, year out, we wonder where does our money go to for promotions and redesignations.
We have had several agreements with the employer, both the national government and now the NMS, including now the Nairobi County government, but have not been implemented. So ours here today is to say and urge the members of the public to seek alternative way of getting the medication.
The medics are also seeking resolution on various issues such as delaying salaries, reinstatement of specialists, as well as promotions and job group redesignation for senior doctors. These striking health workers have been here occupying Ministry of Health for some time now, and they're complaining that no one is listening to them. The strike will affect all port health facilities, including airports, border points, and all points of entry, and the National Spinal Injury Hospital. Others include Mathari Hospital, Othaya Hospital, the National Blood Bank, National Public Health Laboratories, and all other facilities served by members working under the Ministry of Health. Gov't, Citizen TV, Nairobi.